Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Enable remote desktop on the target machine and record its local IP address, because you will need it once the VPN tunnel exists. Next, obtain VPN credentials and server address from your admin. Enroll in MFA if required. Once done, check your local firewall rules and ensure outbound VPN traffic is allowed. These steps prevent wasted effort later and let you proceed straight into establishing a secure tunnel. Now you establish the VPN and make the remote desktop connection. Install and configure the approved VPN client, then import the provided profile or certificate. This ensures correct routing and DNS. Authenticate with your credentials and complete MFA so the tunnel becomes active. Make sure the VPN status shows connected. That indicates your device is on the internal network. Next, open your RDP client and point it to the internal IP or hostname. Because traffic is now on the private network, the session should reach the target machine. Finish by securing the session and handling common issues. Once connected, confirm you have appropriate RDP permissions and that the remote machine allows your account. If connection fails, test basic network reachability with ping or traceroute to the internal IP to isolate network versus auth problems. Make sure VPN DNS resolves internal hostnames. If needed, restart the VPN client and re-authenticate. Temporarily disable your local firewall for a quick test. These steps reveal whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.